Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding an AOL account to your Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Internet Accounts. Choose AOL from the options. Enter your email address or phone number and click Next. Now enter your email account password and click Next. Scroll down the Permissions page and click Allow. You can choose which apps you would like your account to be connected to. Tick the ones you want to be linked to your AOL account, then click Done. Your AOL account is now added to your Mac. You can come back here and change which apps it is used with later if you like. You can get to your AOL account by opening the Mail app if you checked the Mail app checkbox. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.